This isn't for my channel or my subscribers or anything, but this I searched it on YouTube and nothing popped up, so this will pop up now. So this is a Yamaha FZ6R, as you can see right there. And they don't have like a traditional helmet lock. They've got this little, where you put your key in to access the little cargo bit under the second seat. But it should have. Now I was using this gun lock right here. I think it came off a Springfield Armory rifle. But it should have come with a steel cable. And what you'll do is you'll take your helmet, and then you'll put these through the metal D-ring or whatever's metal, and you'll put these loops on like this, and then you'll pop your seat back on. And as you can see, there's the steel loop. So that's my spare helmet. So I was going to put it on here, but I couldn't do it without holding the phone. But yeah, that's how you'd put it through the little metal D-rings or whatever that nobody can just cut, and then that's how you would lock your helmet. So you're welcome. I figured it out.